Are you looking to develop new embedded electronics hardware? Then Comtel is your perfect solutions partner. As a leader in high-performance systems and PCB solutions for telecom, scientific, defense and aerospace markets, we have the experience to deliver cost-effective solutions that push performance boundaries in a rapid time frame. Our wide range of engineering capabilities allows us to support you along every step of the way from development to deployment. Let's take a closer look. Custom solutions. We tailor hardware solutions to meet your performance specifications using our wealth of experience in designing embedded system solutions. It all starts with the concept. Comtel's design and manufacturing team works closely with its customers to capture all their requirements. Engineering. Comtel's dynamic engineering team has a deep understanding in high-speed backplane and motherboard design, custom solutions and standards like OpenVPX VME 64X and cPCI serial. We provide layout constraints, routing suggestions, stack-ups, materials trade-offs and back drilling requirements to ensure optimal performance. Our custom chassis designs meet even the most challenging defense and aerospace environmental conditions. We have a deep understanding in optimization of size, weight, enhanced thermal performance solutions, EMC and RF shielding, together with a proactive product lifecycle management. Your project will follow a proven design review and acceptance process, ensuring we meet your expectations. Manufacturing. Comtel has a global selection of approved manufacturing partners with wide-ranging capabilities and capacities. The procurement team uses our well-established supply chain of OEM, OCM and approved distributors to ensure the quality and reliability of the product. All services are provided by highly skilled and qualified operators to meet the required IPC standards. Program management. Agile program management drives efficiency across all our projects. We plan, manage, track and schedule your program and take ownership at the full system level. Test and qualification. You can count on Comtel to test and qualify its products. Comtel covers all aspects of validation, including the qualification report, production functional test procedure, compliance matrix verification, as well as the first article inspection. We work with our customers to package hardware solutions that are used in harsh environments, all while providing latest technologies and long-term support. Comtel brings together 30 years of expertise and hardware solutions that meet your performance requirements. Comtel Electronics, your solution expert.